Payroll is the heartbeat of your business. It is the fundamental promise you make to your people. It ensures they are compensated for their hard work, their time, their dedication. But payroll is more than just a paycheck. It is a complex record of wages, a careful calculation of taxes, a detailed accounting of benefits. Getting it right is not just important. It is essential for maintaining trust and compliance. QuickBooks Online, often called QBO, steps in as a powerful ally. It simplifies these complexities. The true benefit is its ability to automate and integrate. Imagine not manually calculating withholdings for federal taxes, state taxes, or worrying about the math behind deductions. QBO handles these calculations for you, reducing human error that causes costly mistakes. It also connects your payroll data directly with your accounting books. Every payroll run is automatically recorded in your general ledger. That saves hours of duplicate data entry and reconciliation while giving a clear, real-time picture of labor costs. Before you can pay a single employee, lay the proper groundwork in the system. The initial setup is the most critical phase. It establishes the framework for every future payroll run. Start by navigating to the Payroll section in QBO and selecting Get Started. The system will guide you through prompts asking for essential company information. Provide your legal business name, your address, and most importantly, your employer identification number, EIN. This number, like a social security number for your business, identifies you to the government for tax purposes. Next, you'll connect your business bank account. This is crucial for funding payroll and enabling direct deposit. With that info, QBO can withdraw the total payroll amount, including net pay taxes and other deductions, when you run payroll. For example, Green Tech Inc., new business, with EIN 1234567889. The owner enters the info, links the primary checking account, and chooses a pay schedule, such as monthly, to set the rhythm from the start. With your company's foundation securely established in QuickBooks Online, your next task is to bring your team into the digital fold. This involves adding each employee to the system. Navigate to the Payroll tab in QuickBooks Online, open Employees, click Add Employee. Create a comprehensive profile, full legal name, home address, and social security number. Define compensation. Choose salary or hourly. Example, add John Smith. Hourly at $20, paid bi-weekly. Employee details change over time. Open the employee profile from the employees list to edit. Edit pay rate, contact info, and banking direct deposit details. The system keeps a historical record of changes. Practical exercise. John Smith promoted. Pay increases from $20 to $22 per hour. Update direct deposit for a new account. Save changes. The next payroll run will use the updated pay and bank info. A well-organized payroll system relies on clear and consistent schedules. QBO offers weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, and monthly. Choose based on your industry, cash flow, and employees' expectations. Assign employees to schedules. Grouping lets you process dozens with a few clicks. Example, warehouse staff bi-weekly, administrative staff semi-monthly. Total compensation includes benefits and retirement. In each profile, use the deductions and contribution section. Let's continue with John. Health insurance. $100 per month. Retirement contribution, first 3%. Enter $50 per paycheck for bi-weekly, then add 3% retirement. QBO auto-calculates and subtracts these each cycle. QBO distills running payroll into review hours, preview totals, submit payroll, direct deposit sent. Exercise 4. Run payroll for Green Tech Inc. John Smith, 40 hours at $22.80. Mary Johnson, $3,000 month. Confirm and submit. As your business grows, capture advanced info, employee numbers, custom fields like department or job title, and work locations for multi-state compliance. QBO can handle multi-state tax rules automatically. Integrate time tracking to import approved timesheets and reduce errors. Go to Reports, then Payroll for payroll summary, payroll details by employee, tax liability, deductions and contributions, and direct deposit lists. Run a payroll summary for Jan-Mar 2025. Exercise 5. Run a payroll detail report for John Smith for Q1 2025 and list total wages, deductions, and net pay. Export to Excel or PDF. Troubleshooting. Incorrect pay. Verify rate and hours. Missing direct deposit. Check routing and account. Wrong taxes. Update W-4 and work location. QBO automates federal and state filings, W-2s, 1099s, and quarterly forms. Best practices. Update employee info. Reconcile payroll and bank statements monthly. Review reports. Backup data. Train staff. Avoid missed pay updates, wrong tax setup, duplicate profiles. Ignored deductions. Missed deadlines. Mastering payroll ensures compliance and employee satisfaction. Practice exercises to become a QBO Payroll Pro. If this helped, like, subscribe, and grab the free payroll setup checklist linked below.